Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 2. If x is double and y is triplet, in the expressions z equal 3x over y, then the value of z is. So basically we want to know what is the change in z if x is double, mean multiply by 2, and y is triplet, it mean multiply by 3. So I will represent the new z value in red. So new z will be equal 3 times x. Now x is double, so 2x. And then over y. Y is triplet, so 3y. To know how much z change, we can take the new z, divide by the original one. So we can write, continue to simplify the new z. We cancel that 3, we have 2x over y. So 2x over y. Then we divide by the z is 3x over y. We continue to express this one into 2x over y. When we divide a fractions, we can multiply by the reciprocal, so y over 3x. Now we cancel out the x at the top and the bottom, the y at the top and the bottom, and it's left with 2 over 3. In another word, z, the new z, will be equal to 2 over 3 the original z. So if x is double and y is triplet, in the expression z equal 3x over y, then the value of z is multiplied by a factor of 2/3. So E is the right answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.